remove all parts and materials from the box. Check if there is any missing parts against the included checklist. Firstly, install the 4 casters given into the pull-out leg rest. Screws are included in the package as well. Secondly, install the 4 legs given onto the main sofa. Push the leg rest under the couch. And then, install 4 legs onto the chase part. Next, install legs onto the 2 armrests. Then, install either one of the armrests onto the main sofa and lift the backrest up. After that, lift up the main sofa and attach it to the chaise part. Finally, install the other armrest to the chaise part. Feel free to install the chaise part on either the left or right side of the couch, based on your convenience. You can pull out the leg rest to convert it to a much larger and spacious couch. The bottom of the chase part can be used as storage as well. Congratulations, you have successfully assembled your couch.